loves, my name is Reema. Welcome to today's video, which is an after dark fall clean with me, where I'm sharing with you my fall nighttime cleaning routine after the kids go to bed. Are you feeling that the couple of hours after the kids go to bed is a time when you can get some stuff quickly done? With my 4 kids virtual homeschooling and me working from home, the only time I have to check off a few things on my list is at night lately. Plus, I really love waking up to a tidy home, especially the kitchen and the family room. I really hope this video helps you figure out a fall nighttime cleaning routine so that you can also wake up to a tidy home and not feel that same stress in the morning. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you click it today and turn on all your notifications while you're watching so you don't miss any of my new videos. I have so much fun content coming up for the holidays, and I'd be so excited if you joined my community. Tonight, I'm getting started in our kitchen to give it a good clean after dinner. With homeschool and working from home, the kitchen gets a really good workout during the day, so the evening is when I put some extra effort in to get back in shape. Is it just our family, or are dishes and cups being used extra? I am running the dishwasher twice a day now, and I have to wash dishes at the same time, so it's been non-stop. Sometimes I think I'd like to leave it all for the evening, but I like to keep my after dark cleaning to no more than 30 minutes so I can have time to sit and relax and watch some TV before going to bed.
Glowing in the dark, I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark.
Today's video is in collaboration with my beautiful YouTube friend Brianna K. She's a new YouTuber, and I would really love it if you head over to her channel and show her some love. Brianna is a young mama of 2 girls that are 2.5 and 8 months old. She has these amazing Make It Happen Monday videos that are so motivating. Her videos are all about organizing, cleaning, paleo cooking recipes, and the best mom content. I seriously love to check out her channel whenever I need some cleaning motivation or some recipe inspiration. So once you're done watching my video, I hope that you hop on over to her channel and check out her fall after dark cleaning routine. Let her know in the comment section that I sent you, and if you are coming from Brianna's channel, hello, welcome, my name is Reema. I make very similar content to Brianna, and I hope that you like this video. And if this video does inspire you, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel as well.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated.
I really wanted to wipe down the counter as well, so I'm moving whatever's on the counter and making sure to wipe it all down until they shine. For me personally, waking up and walking into a spotless, shiny kitchen to make my coffee in the morning seriously brings me so much joy in the morning. I cannot tell you enough. If you don't spend some time in the kitchen cleaning up the night before, I really recommend it because it does just set your day off nicely.
I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no. I a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, no. I don't believe you, 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 no, no. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the directions that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah.
Find time, just want the mood to be right. Keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light. It's blurring out my eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear. Yes, I know how to window. 'Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits. I'm good, giving her compliments. I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah, yeah. Fake one, staying up till the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight. 'Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits. Just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits. I will never get it right. I still have you on my side.
I also like to make sure that the garbage is taken out every night, no matter how late it is. We will always take the garbage out just so that the kitchen doesn't smell in the morning and that everything is really nice and clean and ready for a new day.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around.
Once everything has been cleaned up, I'm going to vacuum the floor and wipe it with my e-cloth mop so that everything is neat and clean for the next day.
But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh,
I really love this e-cloth mop for my nighttime cleaning routine because all I have to do is wet the cleaning pad, put it on the base, and mop. I don't have to use cleaning solution because the e-cloth cleans all the bacteria and dirt. When I'm done, I just throw it in the wash and wash it with hot water and detergent, and it's ready for me the next day. Sometimes if I'm in a pinch, I just quickly hand wash it and it's ready to go. Really, it is so convenient for these nightly routines and so much less waste too. This video is not sponsored by e-cloth. I bought this with my own money and I'm only telling you about it because I really love this product and I think it will help you clean up really quickly in your nighttime routine.
But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come?
Next, I'm going into the den to tidy up, wipe down, and vacuum. I'm using the same cleaner to clean off the desk and the side table and the TV. When I was a kid, I always made sure that my desk and room was tidy and clean before going to bed. So I guess that's just part of who I am. But I'm noticing that my youngest daughter is not that way. So I've been trying to teach her how important it is to make sure your workspace is clean. What she has been doing is just shoving everything in this drawer, as you can see. So tomorrow I'm going to have to show her again how to make sure her surroundings are not cluttered and are clean because I believe it helps her focus and stay organized more.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know.
Now I'm headed into the family room to dust and vacuum. I noticed today that the side tables were dusty and the coffee table Halloween decor needed some love, so I knew I had to get to it tonight. I'm using Miss Meyer's glass cleaner and lemon verbena because I find that it works well on all surfaces for the quick wipe down. I also use the same cleaner in the den. It's a cleaner that you can really use for the entire house. I'm noticing it works well for dusting, for mirrors, for counters. It really works well on any surface. Let me know what are your favorite scents to clean with right now and what is your favorite all-in-one cleaning product. I'd love to hear your favorites and get some new suggestions. Right now, I'm just gonna do a quick dust and vacuum the floors.
I wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say to you, much I wanna say, but there's no time. We used it all. Still still have so much I wanna talk about, but I messed it up and there you go. Oh, 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 oh. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, close, closer than it felt before. And yeah, I know that I always hurt your feelings. Yeah, I know that you'll never be forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you. There is so much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't deserve a second chance. I know that I'm way too late, 'cause I messed it up and there you go. Oh, 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 oh. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, close, closer than it felt before. Forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you.
Let me know if you have any questions or any requests for future videos on my channel. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe and join our community where we do lots of cleaning motivation, seasonal decor, and homemaking videos, and motherhood videos. So there's a lot of fun stuff coming up over the next couple of months. Make sure to check out my last Christmas shop with me from Walmart. There was a ton of stuff in there for some decor inspiration, and my Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me is coming up really soon. It will be out on November 2nd. So make sure that your notification bell is on and that you're subscribed so that you don't miss that video. Again, I hope this video gave you tons of cleaning motivation and helps you figure out your cleaning routine for this fall. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh,